The Global Development Report 2023 was launched Tuesday in Beijing. More than 80 representatives from 20 countries and regions have joined the press conference, both online and offline. Many participants have commended China's green development drive, saying other countries can draw experience from the shift.
China has given an inspiration to developing countries, showing how a developing country can grow faster, can make structural transformation. In terms of technological advances, China has done unmatched performance in the innovations related with green technology, in wind energy, in solar energy, in electric vehicles, in battery technology, in many areas, which has significantly contributed to the reduction of cost and also accessibility of these technologies by poor countries or least developing countries. So China is expected to play an important leading role in green transformation.
The green shift, the change in the structure of the economy, is what China very successfully has done over the last decade, moving into the global front when it comes to the production of solar panels, then windmills, electric cars and batteries. It was done by China by heavy state investment.
China has its targets when it comes to climate and emissions, and China has given high priority to development of wind power, solar power and electric vehicles, and it's leading in the world in these areas, and that will also have very positive effects for other countries, that the cost of these technologies is substantially reduced. And other countries can also learn from the practice of China when it comes to deploying these technologies.
With the theme of global development at a historic crossroads, the Global Development Report 2023 comprehensively analyzes the current situation of global development and its main trends.